What do you want? What do you want, Mr. Mouth? What do you want, Mr. Mouth? What? Oh, that's horrible. Oh my God, that sounds terrible. Oh no. What do you want, silly? Where are you? Where are you? There you are. Hello. Hello. Artie. Artie. Oh my goodness. A horrible, horrible little baby. Oh my goodness. That's terrible. Where did you get that from? Oh, I don't think I can listen to that anymore. No. No. Boy, oh boy, oh boy. Where did you get that, boy? Oh no, that's terrible.